Greetings from our team Mask Ray, a novel portable device for sterilization of used face masks. With the present COVID-19 pandemic situation, all of us are forced to wear face masks compulsorily. That means there are multiple masks and no mask is perfect. There are various problems with the existing system and they are shortage of N95 masks, environmental concerns in disposal of used masks, effectiveness of reused masks, and existing practice of elaborate and time-consuming sterilization of masks and the cost effectiveness. Now talking about sterilization of N95 mask, research shows evidence of ultraviolet radiation being effective against the coronavirus. Our innovation Mask Ray is a portable device with UV lamps on all sides with temperature and moisture control. It is an electrical device which can be connected to conventional AC current. In addition, it also has hooks to hang the mask within. It has ultraviolet light for sterilization of the mask along with the moisture and temperature controller. A hot blast of dry air removes any droplets such as saliva or sweat or any aerosols trapped within the layers of the mask. Here is the video demonstrating how the Mask Ray works.
The Mask Ray is simple and easy to use device. All we need to do is place the straps of the mask on the hook and close the lid and turn on the switch. The cycle lasts for a minute, which gives total dose of 11 joule per centimeter square, which is well above the required dose of 1 joule per centimeter square. This also allows enough penetration into the deeper layers of the mask. We have also used a heating element with a blower to make the mask dry and remove all the moisture. For that, currently we are using silica gel, which we plan to upgrade to better technologies in future. To make the device more safe, we plan to add a circuit breaker on the lid. So if a lid is open, the UV doesn't turn on. We also plan to use LED UV light instead of current UV lamp, as the current lamp contains mercury.
Mask will be designed in such a way that it is handy and does not require more space for its placement or installation. Since it is portable, when not in use, it can be kept aside. This device is not only useful for healthcare professionals but also for all the patients. A new concept of frequent hand washing along with maintaining mask hygiene should be introduced amongst the public. Dirty or unhygienic mask leads to further infections. Similar to regular regime of hand sanitization before entry to the hospitals, the patients can be asked to sterilize their masks. Mask made of any fabric can be sterilized using this device. The electrical plug points at the hospitals which are used by patients to charge their mobile phones can be equipped with this device to sterilize the mask. Mask Ray can be placed in the following areas: sterile zone of operation theatre, laboratories, patient waiting area, in all the outpatient departments, at reception, near isolation wards, in collection center, in trauma triage, and at the kiosk or help desk. We strongly recommend Mask Ray for individual or family use. However, if installed in public places, exterior will be suitably designed for easy disinfection. This slide explains cost of manufacturing of our prototype. However, on mass production, each Mask Ray unit will cost less than Rs 500, which is very viable. Mask Ray promotes Make in India concept, thus improving our country's economy. It can be easily manufactured by companies and factories which are already producing UV sterilizing box for household items. And lastly, it can be sold directly through government channels like government e-market, online stores, and also through non-governmental organizations or NGO channels. In conclusion, COVID or no COVID, in days to come, face mask will be an integral part of our life. To optimize resource, need for devices like Mask Ray will surely increase. We foresee a bright future for Mask Ray. Thank you.